So now I've removed some parts to get access to finding out where this leak is actually appearing from. After a bit more of an inspection, I can see, can you see the water down here where my finger is? There's some water just down there, zoom in a little bit. There you go. So this plastic housing here that's located on the back of the water pump is leaking. There is an O-ring seal inside, or it could be a case that this housing has cracked. I've known this happened before in the past. I will advise that the customer has got an oil leak here, as you can see from the rocker cover. The water pump has been changed before, but the customer supplied me with a new water pump, so the job today is going to be replacing this water pump, getting access to this flange, and then we can get it back to the customer. So let's tear it down. So now we're at this stage where I can access the flange that's leaking on the back of the water pump. What I'm going to do now is get my hands behind there and check that it's wet underneath, just to confirm my findings. So as you can see, there is water coolant on my fingers. So next step is to carry on stripping this off, get this off and replace it with a new part. Then move on to changing the water pump.